I lost the feeling to my left leg, and I barely had any ability to walk from my knee down, and also my peroneal nerve, which is in the vaginal area. I was desperate for help and to sort of get my life back on track and hopefully get sensation back. Life before coming here was very challenging due to a surgery that I had had. They cut my L5. It was so catastrophic that I can't even describe it. I didn't think that I would ever be able to walk again, and I certainly didn't believe that I would be able to have sensation again. I was totally at a loss. That was a lot of just sadness, just deep sadness, and not feeling like there was anywhere I could go from that point. I didn't believe that there was going to be a way for me to overcome it. A friend of mine had come here for hormones and highly recommended it. My initial consultation with Doc was very, very thorough. Sort of explored things and questions that I probably would never even thought of myself. And through the feedback, he came up with a plan that he thought would work for me. So I started with the hormones, and then there was an opportunity to have an O shot, which is an injection inside the vagina. And I did have some success with that. And also, we were keeping an eye on where my hormones and where my levels were at that time. Everyone here was so personally caring. I remember the girl that was with me when I was doing that O shot. She made me feel so comfortable and cared for, as everyone does here. It's just a beautiful, beautiful experience. It has really been a journey for me, again, coming from where I was. And every little success that we had, we celebrated. Everyone was happy for me. I was happy for me. My husband was happy for me. It is truly a gift to be able to have those successes, and to where I am now. I've had my greatest success, and I don't know what else to say except smile.
That's perfect.